So I wanted to show you guys the Airbnb that I'm staying in. Really, it's like what do they call them? It's like they use the word half apartment and half hotel. I forgot, but it's a mixture of the two. So like that's what this place is. So over here is where you walk in. You walk in with the code. I'll show y'all that in a second. But this is the entryway. And I guess on the other side is where the other people are staying. This is the bathroom. Kind of looks similar to my bathroom in Kuwait. Just simple, basic, nothing too crazy. The kitchen is really nice. It has a really nice sitting area right here. There's a stove, there's a refrigerator, microwave, and then they left us this basket over here with cookies and just, you know, snacks or what have you. Sink and this really nice sitting area. I can see myself editing all the videos that I'm going to be doing. So there's the couch over there, and then we have a balcony, which is super cool. It's really nice, very modern. And in here is the bed. I don't know what size bed this is. Maybe a queen or a double bed, something like that. There's a bench right here where I have my suitcase. One thing I don't like about this place, as I will say, is they don't have a floor length mirror. They just have this one right here. Not really feeling this mirror, but we'll make do. Then there's a closet to hang your items. And yeah, so I will leave a link to this hotel. I will leave my affiliate link for booking.com. That is how I book all of my hotels. I use booking.com. Let me show you. It's a very funky area too. My husband really likes the area. It's okay for me, but it's quite funky. There's a hostel over there, which is interesting. And down here, we have lots of shops. It's Sunday, so the shops are not open yet. Lots of graffiti in Athens. I will be doing a first impressions video of Athens, but yeah. I'm using a new camera. What is this camera called again? It's called the Osmo Pocket, right? Yeah, I'm gonna do a review after we use it for a little bit on the trip. I'm gonna do it's a super slim, compact camera. Babe bought it for me for my trip. This is a long trip, so this is gonna be almost like a month of traveling together, so it's different. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, so that's it, you guys. I just wanted to come and show you the place. Oh, let me show you the keypad. Forgot that.